Okay, HSN Part 2, Diamond Press. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is Christmas Windows Stamp Dies and Stencil Kit. And I tried to get it so at least the kind of ready for you. And this was like $33, I think. So here's the Christmas stamp instruction sheet. So it comes with the stencils, the dies, and the stamps. Very cool. Shows you what to do. Step 1, 2, 3, which is awesome. And here's some finished. I love that it comes with that cat. I was like, yep, gotta have the cat. And the fireplace, so you could do a whole, see if you look, the window scene there. Isn't that cool? The deer back there, the candles. Very cool. So I got that. I mean, you get, and you always get with the regular marquee stuff, it comes with a regular folder too. So that's nice. Let's see, look at the window. Isn't that cool? Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh my gosh. It came in this, by ages, it came in this giant box. So I'm throwing everything. Yeah, anywho. This one was not cheap. This is the Christmas tree stamp and die kit, but it's a 3D-er. So, you know, and you build it. And I just thought, well, that would be really fun to even gift people. Here's your, you know, you don't. So it's got the directions, of course, and get off it. Okay. Instruction sheet. I want a picture of the final. With the see this. Here we go. Is that not the coolest? And you get all these little things that you can stamp and cut out to decorate it with. Oh my gosh. I just thought that would be a really fun little Christmas gift, you know, for friends or better really like them though. It'll probably take me a while. But anyway, get your stocking. And you can use all these things for other, you know, the stocking, the candy canes that decorate the tree. So there's that one. Yes, I spent too much money. This one is Letterpress. I don't have a letterpress. Trinket stamps and dies, but I don't think I have to have the letterpress. No, these are just regular dies, not letterpress. I'm into these where they have different squares and rectangles. I don't know why. That's my new thing. One of the many. So it's not necessarily holiday. Well, it's not holiday, actually. So look, see? Is that cool or what? And what's nice is they give you, I mean, you get, look at all the stamps. And then the matching dies. It's a no-brainer. Yeah, okay. So there's that. It's got an acorn. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. Very, very cool. So there's that one. Sorry. So you'll see me in the same shirt for these because I'm doing this all at one time. Okay, and this one, oh, I was really excited about this one. This is another three-dimensionally Build It decoration called the Nutcracker Stamp and Die Kit. Let's see here. See if we have a final picture of him. So I don't know how tall he is at the end. Oh, here he is. So you can do an elf, a Santa, a mouse. Oh my gosh. Is that not the coolest? Now to do it all. Yeah, I can do that. But yeah, it comes with the stamps, all the stuff, and the matching dice. So to build it. And Vianney Creates. She is awesome about doing tutorials, which I'm a visual learner, so that helps. She's awesome. Okay. And then where are we at? We're good. Okay. Pop-up die, Christmas pop-up die, and embossing folder. What the heck is this one? I don't even remember. Isn't that sad? Oh, yeah. So you can make the pop-up cards. Okay. So it comes with the pop-up think this is where you pull it out. Yeah, you pull it out. Which I got something like this on Temu as well. So you can use Santa to pull, and he comes up out of the chimney. Cool. Cool. So yeah, again, tells you step by step how to do it. Which looks complicated, but I think I'll be okay. So yeah, it comes with all these dies, and again, all the stamps. I mean, you get, this is all I need for Christmas. You know, all this stuff I ordered, I should just sell the rest. Anyway, but look, so you get all these. Look at all the little guys. Let me see. Here we go. What's nice is they are colored, not that you're going to color them that way, but it makes it easier to tell them apart, right? There's a fireplace, Santa, the tree. Oh, I love this. Look at this window. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. Oh, that's cool. Look at that on the door. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Very excited about this set. Now to remember to use it, right? I went nuts. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to tell you a lie. I did it. And if you order all at the same day, the same set of 24 hours, you get $7.50 shipping, and then I get pay to play. No. Oops. No. I want to separate those. Pay over time and no interest, so that's good. So that's helpful. And then this one, oh yes, very excited. This is another 3D, a mug. It's called Hot Cocoa Mug, and you can put a cocoa packet in here. Sorry for the crinkle. But, see? Look at that. Now, hopefully, I can do it. But it comes with all, look at all the stamps and dies. I'll just show you that way. Oh. And then, of course, the instruction sheet. So, yeah. Pretty cool. And I think it's pretty good size, so, when it's finished. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Isn't that cool? So that could be like, my granddaughter Tori had a tea party one for her birthday last year. This would have been perfect for that. There's that one. Okay. And back to Kingston Crafts. And they have, I love their 4x9 for Slimlines. There's no way I can show you all this. But they're kind of a glossy. And again, they do the big and the little. And they give you plain. Look at this. Isn't that cool? So there's your Slimline, or you can do whatever you want with it, obviously. So yeah. And they pack it so nicely. Look at, she has it so there's cardboard on each end, so it's not flipping and flopping all over. Till I take care of it, and then I mess it up. But yeah. So I just love this concept of little and big. All in the same piece of paper. So here's the, and look at the tiny little, isn't that cute? Cute, cute. Snowflakes. And then the big. So yeah, go online if you're interested in any of these things. I don't work for HSN. I don't work for Kingston Crafts. I don't work for DP. I just buy their stuff. But yeah, to see it more. Because they have the videos of her showing it. So that would be better than what I'm doing. Let's put it that way. All right, I'm going to stop it here and I'll come back for part 3. Ow. Arthritis. Okay, see you in a bit.